agree about the lines of latitude. These lines of latitude, they are small circle apart from the one that passes through the equator, which is the great circle. Are you getting it now? So this is lines of latitude, which is north of equator. North of equator. You can see this is the equator, this is the north of equator, and this is the south of equator. So these lines, which are lines of these two lines, they are what? They are lines of latitude south of the equator. So you should take note that all these lines of latitude apart from the equator, they are called small circle. You can see this one is a small circle and they are what? Lines of latitude. This is lines of latitude on the what? North of the equator, and this is the south. So if I decide to cut this again, I will have small circle, small circle, small circle on the south of the equator. Do you get that now? So then another thing you should take note that all the lines of longitude, they are called great circle. You can see I've explained that with this. You can see this one, they are what? Lines of longitude, and they are also a great circle. You can see this is the same thing as this. They are what? Great circle. So take note of that. Also, you should take note that the center of the great circle is the same thing as the center of the sphere. That is, this is an equator, this is a great circle. The center here is the same thing as the center of this sphere. Do you understand that now? Just like we have the center of a great circle is the center of the whole sphere. Do you get that now? So that is what you need to take note. The radius of the great circle is equal to the radius of the sphere. So this is a great circle. The radius of this great circle is also the same thing as the radius of the whole sphere. So take note of that. The first one, know your lines of latitude, your lines of longitude, these lines of longitude, they are longitudes on the what? On the east side of the meridian. And these lines of longitude, they are what? Longitude on the west of the what? The meridian. So take note of that.